Hello friends, and welcome back to another weekly vlog. I just came back from the gym, so excuse how I look right now. Oof. After the gym, my hand hurts. Oh, my trainer kicked my butt. After the gym, I went to Costco and did a bit of a grocery run. Usually I just go to my local grocery store and do this, but since I was at Costco, I was like, might as well. So let's do a grocery haul. That's kind of different for this channel, and show you guys what I bought, and then we can go in and I'm gonna do some meal prep for this week and I'll show you that as well. So this is what I got. This will last me a month. This is like a lot. I freeze a lot of my stuff, especially my produce. So I just thought I would like top up some stuff. Let's start with bevies, right? So I run through Almond Milk like no man's business. And so I got a 6-pack of the Kirkland Almond Milk. I also got the Tazo Chai Latte. This is usually my like Starbucks beverage order, is like a chai oat milk latte. So I thought I would buy my own and see if I could like recreate it at home. Some all natural peanut butter. I am dairy free. I don't do milk, dairy, and all that fun stuff. So I bought Daya mozzarella, but it's like a dairy free cheese. I use it to stuff chicken breasts and stuff. And then I also bought this cured cashew soft cheese. I like to use this in place of cream cheese. I got these egg wraps. These are so yum. I just make a wrap out of them. I bought the biggest jar. It's the size of my head. The biggest jar of sun-dried tomatoes I've ever seen in my life. This is gonna last me months. I'll show you what I do with these later, but I love sun-dried tomatoes. They're like one of my favorite things. And then I got actual like cherry tomatoes. It's so much cheaper in Costco and you get so much more. And I toss these into pretty much everything. I like them roasted, raw. I pop them sometimes as a snack, really good. I got a pack of green beans and broccoli stalks. I love mushrooms. Mushrooms are one of my favorite things in the world. So I bought a pack of like white and brown ones. Bunch of bananas, always a staple in this household. And I got a bunch of spinach. I go through these bad boys so much. I freeze one whole one, which I use for my smoothies. And I don't know, am I the only one who does that? Like, I freeze my spinach for my smoothies because it adds like, I don't know, it makes them more like a milkshakey type of vibe. Plus they last so much longer. So I always freeze one whole thing of spinach. And then the other one I toss in with the grape tomatoes and some mushrooms, and I just make like a big batch of them. Although this disappears fast. Like I could eat this in like a week because as soon as spinach touches fire, she gone. Got a bunch of ground turkey. I got me some chicken breasts, chicken thighs. Sometimes when you cook salmon, you still get that like fishy taste, which honestly, if it was like sushi or sashimi, I'm fine with. But in a cooked salmon, it kind of throws me off a little bit. So I'm gonna try tilapia instead. It's a way like milder fish. Okay, so like I said, I just got home from the gym. I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna whip together a smoothie real quick, grab some coffee, put some stuff away, and then start meal prepping.
My girlfriend at the workplace can be a trouble quite so I'm named
So good. I drink my smoothie. I thought I would open up some packages. I started opening this and I was like, yo, let me film this. So I'm so excited. I'm only gonna show you like a sneak, but that does say Ivy Park. So I got my Ivy Park Beyonce. You guys are not ready for the images. I've contacted my photographer. We're gonna do this in the stew, and I'm really excited to film this, shoot this look. We're gonna make it really like Beyonce Ivy Park inspired, like all of her like promo images were very much like studio white background, so we're gonna emanate that, and I'm so excited. Oh my god. Ooh, that came fast. Okay. So I made an order of my cleanser because I like to have at least 1 or two backups of this bad boy. Canon MD, hypoallergenic, the good stuff. So that's this. Next up, what is this? I ordered some clothing, but this would be far too quickly for it to come. I'm expecting those next week. I don't know if I want to show you guys this because it's a surprise. So I did, if you follow my Instagram, you know that I did announce I was gonna do merch to raise funds for the Black Lives Matter and the End SARS movement. And I just got some of the proofs. So you're seeing this for the first, I'm not gonna show you guys the image. Y'all have to wait for this, but, ah! Oh my God. Oh my God. This is sick. Wait. Oh my God, this looks so good. I think I'm gonna offer them in the gray, black, and maybe like a forest green. So it's gonna be a hoodie and a crew neck. Oh, nah. Nah, y'all ain't ready. Final package. So this looks like it's from my End Poverty organization. So I am an ambassador for End Poverty. It's one of the things I'm kind of proud of doing. And as part of the ambassadorship, they sometimes just send us little gifts and stuff just to thank us for what we're doing and for spreading awareness. So this is our gift. I love a good tote bag. This is cute. This is gonna be my new lunch bag. endpoverty.org. They do amazing work in third world countries to educate women, help end poverty, and help impoverished individuals. This is cute as hell. That's gonna be a wicked awesome little lunch bag. Big fan, big fan. My kitchen looks like a mess because this is what tends to happen during meal prep day. But this is what the mushrooms are looking like right now. So I'm just gonna bleed the water off. I'm going to season the chicken with just these are the chicken thighs with just a bunch of seasonings. That's boring. I just season them and then I marinate them overnight, and then I'll actually cook them tomorrow. Next up, we are making the turkey meatballs. Good morning, friends. It's a couple of days after probably my last clip. It's fully pouring down with snow. Like there's easily 4 inches of snow. Holy crap, holy crap, holy crap. You guys, it's done. It's done. It's done. Joe Biden is the president of the United States of America. I can finally sleep through the freaking night again. I am so happy Trump is out. Hello guys, it has been a while since I probably talked to you. It's a couple days later and I'm currently getting ready to shoot today, so I thought I would bring you guys along to end off this vlog. Today we're shooting the Beyonce Ivy Park collection. And let me show you guys, this is ridiculous. First of all, my makeup, killed it. I still have to put on my lip, but look at this. Like, she didn't have to snap like this. She really didn't. This is an entire vibe. I'm here with Ayo or Lord Ski. You guys know him, you've seen him on the vlog before, so I'll definitely make him say hi. And yeah, we're gonna shoot, I'm excited. I'm excited. Do you guys remember this guy? Do you remember him? It's been a while. You were on my first vlog. That was last year. That's crazy. He's the one shooting me today. I'm so excited. The images I already know are gonna be ridiculous. Hey friends, I am back home after the shoot and I'm very tired. So I think this is a good enough spot as ever to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending my off shift with me. I don't know if my images will be posted before this goes live, but if they are, go to my Instagram and like the pictures of the Ivy Park drop. Thank you. The images look ridiculous. They look so good, and I'm so excited to share with you guys. So yeah, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll catch you on the next OSV. Bye.